How to remove Chrome managed by your organization fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove Chrome managed by your organization. So when you click on the three dot after opening your Chrome browser, you can see a option called managed by a organization here. If your Chrome browser is managed by your organization, so if you see that notification, then you can just simply click on the three dot here, and after that you just have to simply click on the settings from here. And after coming to the Chrome setting dashboard, you just have to simply click on the reset option. So to reset it, you just have to simply click on the system, and under the system settings you can get the reset settings from here. You just have to simply click on the reset settings to their original defaults, and here you can see the action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extension, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmark history and saved password won't be affected. And after that you just have to simply click on reset settings, and after clicking on reset setting you just have to again have to restart the Chrome and check for if that notification is still showing or not. So if it's not, so that's the solution. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.